Mosenindo Jafwambo kod jalendo marauma mar nyakalondo mar Inoro FM kod TV kendo jatim nonro mag siasa Profesa Ngugi Njoroge oiki e dalane mani Subuki e kaunti ma Nakuru. Osiepe jo siasa kod jofwambo wetene mawuok e kambi mar Royal Media ka ne oriwore kod familia mare goyo ne oriti. Director mar nyakalondo mag Royal Media Services Fred Afune, elo jakom kambi mar Royal Media Dr. SK Masharia, jalup jakom Gadhoni Masharia kod jata tije maduong' Washira Waruru oparo Njoroge kaka jatich mane tiyo matek kendo jal mane tayo kambi no e rang'iny mamalo. Njoroge nowito ngimane chieng' wuok tich mokalo.
I will miss your daddy-daughter moments that definitely will stick around for my lifetime. You indeed left a mark, a life well lived, a race well run. Sleep well, Daddy, till we meet again.
We would paint a picture on so many things. So I would like you to be strong in the Lord and just remember with you and your family that He is absent from the body, but He is present with the Lord.
Professor Ngugi Njoroge was a foundational figure in Royal Media Services and a beacon of excellence in many spheres, be it as a pioneering broadcaster, esteemed academic, a mentor, and a leader who touched the lives of many. Professor, who was more than just a valued team member, was a cornerstone of our organization from the very beginning, especially when Inoro FM was founded, where he demonstrated an unmatched commitment to excellence and unwavering dedication to our mission.